A mob bank? I guess the joke is as crazy as they say. Where's the alarm guy?
The boss told me when the guy was done I should take him out. One less share, right?
Funny, he told me something similar.
No! No!
That's a lot of money. If this Joker guy was so smart, he'd have had us bring a bigger car. I'm betting the Joker told you to kill me as soon as we loaded the cash.
No. I killed the bus driver.
Bus driver? What bus driver?
Screws out. Time to go. Cap's not getting up, is he? That's a lot of money. What happened to the rest of the guys?
Think you're smart, huh? Well, the guy who hired yous, he would have done the same to you. Oh, criminals in this town used to believe in things. Honor, respect. Look at you. What do you believe in, huh? What do you believe?
I believe whatever doesn't kill you simply makes you stranger.